Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I'm talking about practical digital marketing and the tools that I use to achieve that. One of the things that I've noticed is that in podcasting, I can say it, but you got to see it. And so sometimes I'm going to have the video part of this podcast episode be the meat and the potatoes in the meal. Okay? So if you're looking at this online, you can see in the video that the Shopify has got a list of marketing tools, and then there's also a link in the Google document to Sunhouse Marketing 45 must-have digital marketing tools for this year, 2024. Okay, and if I scroll down, you'll see where it says, let's shine a spotlight on a few standout tools. Well, these are the ones that I personally use. The first link is the American Marketing Institute's headline checker. I check every headline that I use on every instance of content online, period. The podcast Adobe Enhance, that's where I take this recording and I'll run it through the podcast Adobe Enhance tool and clean up the background noise, smooths it out, makes it into a perfectly even sounding MP3. And then lastly is a new thing I've just been trying. It's meet.google.com. And that's Google Meet's tool, and I'll let you play with that. It works in Linux, it works in Windows, it works in Mac. It's all browser-based. There's no download you have to do, etc. So that call to action gives you the chance to say, try these tools out, okay? Enhance your digital marketing with some practical digital marketing tools provided in this. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.